Hi guys, Mark Anthony here. One of the best ways to remove yourself from the affiliate marketing competition is to do things a little bit more professional. It's very hard to make thousands of dollars in affiliate marketing with a $1 mindset. Now I know that's not something you want to hear, but it's 100% true. Now I'm not suggesting that you throw hundreds or thousands of dollars at your business before you've made a penny, but for the sake of something like $50, you can really raise your game and remove yourself from other affiliates who are trying to do everything on the cheap. You see, free services are great for affiliates because obviously they save you money, but that does not work in the real affiliate marketing world where they're actually stopping you from making money. So you need to consider what your customers may think. Would they prefer to click on a free Linktree page in a bio, an affiliate link that's been shortened on Bitly, or a dedicated domain name that reflects your offer very, very clearly? So let me show you on the computer what I mean. Okay guys, so here we are on Clickbank. We've covered this product before. It's still selling really, really well. This is where you can get paid for certain jobs on social media. The gravity score is still 192, very high, converts at $25. But you can see a lot of people on TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest are promoting this, so there's a lot of interest in it. People obviously like the idea of getting paid to use social media because they're on social media for so many hours a day anyway, so why not get paid for the privilege? So this is the product that I was basically just going to use just for this tutorial. So yeah, as you can imagine, a lot of people you will find when they're promoting that product, especially on TikTok, and they put their link in the bio, you'll see a lot of people who will use a Bitly link, so it's an affiliate link which has been shortened with Bitly, and obviously a lot of them are using different link shortening services, but the same principles apply. Some people prefer to use Linktree. Again, a free service, won't cost you anything, and you can list as many affiliate links as you want. And then you've got the other option of promoting that product through a specific domain, a dedicated domain. So you got like social media paid jobs. It says exactly what it does. And this is the example I'm going to use in this tutorial. So which one, if you was a customer, put yourself in your customer's shoes, which one would you prefer to click on? You don't know where that's going to take you. You don't know where that's going to take you. But you know 100% where this is going to take. You're interested in social media paid jobs, and here's the domain, socialmediapaidjobs.com, and this is why I put this tutorial together. He said it's all very well starting affiliate marketing on the cheap by using these free services, but if you're serious about promoting one product, and really you should be promoting one product for at least 90 days on TikTok by showing up every day and being consistent. Otherwise you probably won't see any sales at all. So my advice to you is get a dedicated domain name around the actual product that you're promoting. So there you go, so socialmediapaidjobs.com, and that just ties in with this product, this what do you call it, this getting paid to, what do they call themselves, online social media jobs that pay. So this obviously fits in absolutely perfectly, socialmediapaidjobs.com. So that is the reason why I did that. So you can do this very, very cheaply. People seem to think it's going to cost you hundreds and hundreds of dollars to do this, but it doesn't. I mean, I use a hosting service for Hostinger. I've used them a long time now, very, very good. And you can start with them for $2.99 a month, and you get a free domain. So there you go. It's just not expensive at all. Or you can go to Bluehost. They do the same. Hosting accounts with, I think they do a free domain as well. There you go. WordPress hosting, free domain, free year. Or you can just buy the domain on Namecheap and then choose your hosting whichever way you wanted to work that. I use Namecheap. I don't use GoDaddy as much these days. Namecheap is generally cheaper, and there's quite a few more advantages by using Namecheap, but that's for a different tutorial. and obviously you can get domains here very, very cheaply, from about $4 or $5 sometimes. There's a .com for £4.93, probably about $7. So it's nothing really. So you can't have a $1 mindset with affiliate marketing and hope to make thousands of dollars. It just doesn't work like that. You've got to invest in yourself. So this is basically why I did this tutorial today, just to show you how cheaply you can do this and raise yourself above all these other affiliates who are doing things on the cheap. So there you go. So this is inside. This is inside the domain, the dashboard for Hostinger, and you can just play about this. This page is a very, very basic page. It probably took me about 2 to 3 hours to set everything up, get all the images together, and then just add me affiliate links, and that's all it is. I did this on Canva, very, very simple banner. You got loads of photographs that you can use on there, and just sprinkle them along the top, and then add my affiliate links. These are specific affiliate links to certain jobs on social media. So I just filled up the page like that, but it took 2 or 3 hours, and just had some images which obviously they provide in the affiliate resources, and that's it. Then they put the logo at the bottom, and that was basically that, and this is the website as it is live. I mean, this is it. Just put your affiliate disclosure, contact privacy, terms of service, because you're promoting affiliate links, and this is what it looks like. Very, very simple. So people can click on these jobs in here. Let's just choose a job. $600 per week watching movies, so they can click on that. Clickbank, there you go, plus your paying social media jobs, and there is the link where it takes you to. Very, very simple. Let's choose another one. $700 a week, posting food reviews on YouTube. This is the job, and there it is. It matches up exactly. So obviously they'll look at that and then click here to apply, and this is obviously where you get paid as an affiliate. Very, very simple. You don't need anything complicated with promoting a lot of these products on Clickbank and Digistore, JVZoo. Just keep it simple. People like simple, and this is a very, very simple page where they can see, they can choose all these jobs. Now, anybody else who's promoting these paying social media jobs will not do that, because it's just too much work for them. But for 3 hours work, you can have this website up, and it gives them so much more opportunities, and they'll take your business more seriously because you're on a dedicated domain name. They're looking for social media paid jobs, and you got the domain name social media paidjobs.com, which as soon as you bought that, the actual domain name has gone up in value, and then you just add your affiliate links from all the affiliate resources on Clickbank for that specific products. But very, very easy to do, and it just raises you above everybody else trying to do things on the cheap. So you can see how basically this works. They click on the $9.50 a week, and it tells you about the job description, how much it pays, location, because I'm in the United Kingdom, so it'll say people from the United Kingdom might prefer. You think, oh, that's great. Application deadline, which is today at midnight. Your requirements: internet connection, laptop, tablet or smartphone. You don't need any experience. You think, happy days. Click here to apply, and off they go. And if they join this program for all the information they need for these paying social media jobs, then obviously you get paid $25 as an affiliate. Very, very simple stuff, but just raise your game and just raise you above anybody else who's trying to do everything on the cheap as an affiliate on social media. You'll get much better. I've not even tested this actually, I just put it together very, very quickly. But it just shows you how you can get a very specific domain name that matches your core offer, and you will find that you will make more money, lots more money, by doing it this way rather than trying to do it on the cheap by way of these links. People always prefer to know where they're going, and social media paidjobs.com tells you everything you need to know. So if you put that in your profile as opposed to these free links, you will get a much better conversion, and obviously you will make more money. Anyway, hope you got something out of this quick tutorial today. Only a quick one, but if you are interested in making $3,000 a month with affiliate marketing, I found the best affiliate marketing training program I've seen in 23 years. If you're interested, you can start for only $1. Amazing, really. You can start for $1. Have a look at all the training inside before you decide if you want to stay and carry on building affiliate marketing assets on the internet, which can bring you affiliate sales, passive income, and advertising revenue each and every month. If that's of interest to you, have a look at Tao. Here's the information. If you're looking for the best affiliate marketing training program, then I would recommend you have a look at Tao. It's 5-star rated, perfect for beginners and more experienced affiliate marketers. It's a perfect choice for making money from affiliate sales, passive income streams, and advertising revenue. This is the best affiliate marketing training program I have seen in my 23 years in affiliate marketing. That's how good it is, but please check it out for yourself. The link is in the description.